Many are of the opinion that we should take up spirituality only when we reach 70 years of age and not earlier. It's a stupid idea. There is no guarantee that we will live up to 70 years at all. We have seen many young people dying in the prime of their life. Secondly, most of us get all physical or mental ailments by 70 years. Arthritis, heart problems, kidney problems, asthma, diabetes, etc., which will leave us so drained that even if we want, we will not be able to do any meditation or any sadhana at all. Ramakrishna Paramahansa used to say, lions have to be caught young when they are cubs and trained. Naturally, when we get engaged in imagined duties like the marriage of a granddaughter or the study of a grandson, ever so many problems will crop up involving sufferings and small joys, of course. Will there be any end to them? How many have been able to say that we have finished all the duties and no more duties are left undone? Develop a disgust for all the worldly activities connected with the never ending series of so called duties already done and yet to be done. Renounce all such duties and be fully devoted to the path leading to self realization. Even after doing all such duties, you will rarely find anybody who will appreciate you or feel grateful to you even after benefiting from your activities. This will result in unhappiness or mental depression from which you may never recover. Desire is the bondage. Detachment from the world brings happiness. Desire is the bondage. Detachment from world brings happiness.